What's going on, guys? So I just want to do a quick review here on something new I purchased for the garage. So I got these LED corn lamps, they're called. They're replacement bulbs for a standard E26 socket, which is your standard light bulb socket. So like most people, I have pretty crummy lighting in the garage. I have two sockets. I have 100 watt 1200 lumen bulbs in them right now, and unfortunately it just does not give enough light when you're trying to detail a car, when you're trying to look for things, when you're trying to work on the car especially. So I was doing a little research and I found these LED corn lamps. So this is a 60 watt equivalent. It says it puts out, I believe, like over 200 watts, but it only uses 60 watts of power, so it uses a lot less than the ones that I have now, but it's rated to put out about 6,000 lumens, so it's about 5 times as bright as the bulb that I have in there now, each one. So I'll take it out of the box here. This is what it looks like. So pretty much it looks like a giant LED bulb that would go in a car. You can see the socket right there. So this is it. It's about 6,000 to 65